Hello, in front of me I got HUAWEI P80 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to use macro camera. To activate macro camera on your smartphone, first let's go to camera. And now go to more. Enter super macro. And that's it. On the normal camera you can also use macro, but not the super one. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.